Training tips for teaching your dog tricks and performances. Training pointers for canine tricks and performances. Many dog owners enjoy teaching their furry friends various tricks and performances. Not only is it entertaining and fun, but it also provides mental stimulation and strengthens the bond between the owner and the dog. Training canines for tricks and performances requires patience, consistency, and proper techniques. In this article, we will provide some training pointers to help you successfully teach your dog new tricks or enhance their existing skills. 1. Choose age-appropriate tricks. When selecting tricks and performances to train your dog, it is important to consider their age and physical capabilities. Puppies may not have fully developed motor skills or the attention span required for complex tricks. Start with simple tricks such as sit, stay, or lie down before progressing to more challenging ones. As your dog grows older, you can introduce more advanced tricks that suit their abilities. 2. Use positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is essential when training dogs. Reward-based training methods involve providing treats, praises, and petting to reinforce desirable behaviors. When your dog successfully performs a trick or behavior, immediately reward them with a treat and praise them with a positive, enthusiastic tone of voice. This not only motivates your dog but also helps them associate performing the trick with a positive experience. 3. Break down tricks into smaller steps. To make learning new tricks easier for your dog, break them down into smaller steps. For example, if you want to teach your dog to roll over, start by training them to lie down on command. Once they have mastered that step, gradually introduce the rolling motion. By breaking the trick into smaller, achievable steps, your dog will learn more effectively and stay motivated throughout the process. For train in short sessions. Dogs have limited attention spans, especially when it comes to learning new tricks. To ensure effective training sessions, keep them short and focused. Aim for 10 to 15-minute sessions, 2 to 3 times a day, rather than long, exhausting sessions. Short sessions help keep your dog engaged and prevent them from becoming bored or frustrated. 5. Be consistent. Consistency is key when training dogs. Use the same command words and hand gestures consistently to avoid confusion. For instance, if you say, sit, to command your dog to sit, stick with that word instead of alternating between sit and sit down. Inconsistency can make it more difficult for your dog to understand what you expect from them. Consistency also extends to rewarding your dog promptly when they perform the desired behavior. 6. Incorporate clicker training. Clicker training is an effective method to strengthen communication between you and your dog during training sessions. A clicker is a small device that makes a distinct sound when pressed. Start by associating the clicker sound with a treat. Press the clicker and immediately give your dog a treat. Then, use the clicker to mark the precise moment your dog performs the desired behavior and follow it up with a treat. The clicker helps indicate to your dog that they have performed correctly and will receive a reward. 7. Practice patience. Training dogs is a gradual process that requires patience from the owner. Dogs may not learn a trick or behavior immediately, and it is crucial not to become frustrated or lose your temper. Keep in mind that each dog learns at their own pace. Encourage and praise your dog for their efforts, even small steps in the right direction. Stay patient, consistent, and positive, and your dog will eventually master the desired trick or performance. 8. Seek professional help if needed. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, training may present challenges. If you find yourself struggling or your dog is having difficulty learning a particular trick, seeking professional help from a dog trainer or behaviorist can be beneficial. They can provide expert guidance, assess your dog's individual needs, and offer personalized training techniques to address specific issues. In conclusion, training dogs for tricks and performances can be a rewarding experience for both the owner and the dog. With patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement techniques, you can effectively teach your dog new tricks and enhance their existing skills. Remember to choose age-appropriate tricks, break them down into smaller steps, Use positive reinforcement and practice patience.